We are the Group 10 of Wire Communication. Our company name is Bungabon Cable Company, and we are conducting a site visit in the municipality of Bungabon.
Okay, present mo dito. Present mo dito. Oo.
Excuse me na. Huwag na video yung aming
Opo. Patrick, tabi ka. Magsalita naman kayo.
Good day. Today, we will demonstrate some information that we gathered from Engineering Office during our visit in the town of Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. So, according to the history, Bungabon is an old town of Nueva Ecija and was the second capital of Nueva Ecija next to Baler. Looking back at history, before the creation of the province of Nueva Ecija in 1705, Bungabon was part of the province of Pampanga. Basic information. Bungabon is chiefly an agricultural town. Its soil is fertile and mostly sandy loam. It is very much suited to rice, corn, onions, cabbage, pechay, and other vegetables. Aside from rice and corn, vegetables like onions, cabbage, and pechay are raised in large commercial scale and sold in Manila and neighboring provinces. Bungabon onions and cabbage are well known in the markets of Metro Manila. The GMTFN or the Greater Manila Trade and Food Market has a station in Bungabon which helps the farmers sell their products at good price. So here's the town of Bungabon. Bungabon is a second-class municipality with a projected population for the year 2010 is 73,639. It has an annual income of 88,460,092 pesos for the fiscal year 2010 including IRA. Bungabon is one of the 29 municipalities in Nueva Ecija and lies at the eastern portion of the province, being the last town to Baler, Quezon. It is 27 kilometers from Cabanatuan City and 145 kilometers from Manila. It is bounded in the east by the municipality of Gabaldon and Quezon provinces, Palayan City and Laur in the south, General Natividad in the west, and Rizal and Pantabangan in the north. Bungabon can only be reached after passing by two adjacent cities, Cabanatuan and Palayan. So, as you can see in this slide, the major crops are onion and rice. So, their production and big one.
So, andito po tayo ngayon sa site na one of the possible sites na pwedeng pagtayaan ng ating head end sa Barangay Social. Beside lang po ito ng municipal church dito po sa Catholic Church, at katabi din po ang basketball court at gym. Isa po ito sa, as you can see po, isa sa pinakamagandang pwedeng pagtayaan dahil maluwang ang lugar at wala pong bahay na nakatayo. Ayan po.
This is the roadmap of Municipality of Bungabon. And these are the concentrated areas for the 60% coverage for the requirements of cable TV.